Welcome students. Now open your textbook. On page number 17, the table is given. That's right. All right. As you wish. You are right. That's right. Good idea. What an idea. That's a good point. I agree. I agree with you. I completely agree with you. Oh yes. I entirely agree. I think that's a good idea. Let's against something. I don't think so. Sorry, I disagree. I totally disagree. No, that's not right. Yes, that may be true. But I am sorry. But I don't agree. I am not sure I agree with you. I don't agree at all. Sorry, but I feel that no, certainly not. Let's not. Below the table, there is given a dialogue. I am reading that dialogue with answers. Khush asks, "What would you like to have in lunch?" He says, "As you wish." Khush says, "I think we should go for Punjabi food." He says, "Sorry, I disagree." Or you can say, he says, "Sorry, I totally disagree. Because I have grown tired of taking Punjabi food. Why don't we try Chinese food?" Khush says, "No, certainly not. I don't like the smell of Chinese food. How about South Indian food?" He says, "I am not sure. I agree with you. Otherwise, you can put here, I am sorry, but I don't agree. In my opinion, it's heavy food." Khush asks, "What do you think about dal bati?" He says, "I think that's a good idea. But we don't have any hotel serving dal bati in our town. How about a Gujarati dish?" Khush says, "Oh yes." Or you can say, Khush says, "I totally agree with you." Now, we are going to discuss the activity number 7, which is also given on page number 18. Your class is going to visit a riverside or seashore next Sunday. Work in groups. Take the help of questions given below and prepare a conversation. Use expressions given in activity 6 to express your views. Present your views in the class. For this activity, you have to divide in 6 groups. Children, as we have discussed earlier, today we are going to discuss about activity 7. You have to make a group of 3 members. I have written all these questions for our visit. Which place will you visit? Have you think about? Yes. Okay. Children, think for that. Where should we go?
May I once say?
Yes.
I have heard Kamati Bagh in Baroda. That's a nice place.
Children, are you agree with her?
No. Sorry, I disagree because Bapar garden where it is a very common place.
Oh, yes, you are right. I agree with you. Shall we visit Dudhsagar Dairy at Mehsana?
May I say something?
Yes, of course.
Should we visit Sharmishta Lake in Vadnagar? It is a historical city.
Children, what do you think? Are you agree with her?
Yes.
Okay, so let's plan for our next trip to Vadnagar, Sharmishta Lake. You have to work on these 6 questions. You have to work in group. 6 questions are given in your textbook. I will give you the hint. The first question is, how will you go? So, group number 1 will discuss on this question. How will you go? For that, first you have to decide the destination. Where do you want to go? And then you have to discuss about which way you will go there. By bus, by train, or by private vehicle, etc. Understand? Okay.
Our topic is how will you go? Give your opinion.
Yes, our destination is Sarmishta Lake in Vadnagar. Should we go by train? I completely disagree with you.
Why?
Because there are no direct train from our village.
That's a good point. So friends, according to my opinion, bus is the best for our journey.
Oh yes, we all agree with you. We will go by bus.
The second question is, what will you carry with you? So group number 2 will discuss on this topic. When you are discussing in group, one will agree with you or disagree with you. This way you have to do your conversation.
Children, have you discussed?
Yes.
Let's listen.
Our topic is what will you carry with you? Yes, it's a really an interesting topic.
I think for breakfast can we take biscuit, groundnuts, wafers, chocolate, etc. Because lunch will be provided by our school.
What about drinking water? Yes, we can carry a big water jug for our better health.
Friends, can't we take football and cricket with like ball, bat, stumps, etc.?
Sorry, because I feel that cricket kit will be for burden for us. Okay, then we will take a dry breakfast and only one ball. Are you agree? Okay.
Let's listen. I want to listen you. So, each group will report me. First, group number 1. How will you go?
We will go by bus.
Okay. Now listen. Group number 2. What will you carry with you?
We will take a dry breakfast, a big water jug, one ball to play Antakshari during journey.
All of you are agree with him?
Yes.
Okay. Let's listen group number 3. What will you see?
So we will see flow of water, fish, nearest greenhouse, stadium, garden, and Tanariri temples and Lord Shiva's temple.
Okay. Now group number 4. Have you decided any game? What will you play?
We will play Kho and Kabaddi.
Nice. Okay, group number 5. What else will you do?
We will do photography and write our report.
Group number 6. The last question. When will you return?
So we will return at 4 p.m. So we will reach our home before night.
Okay. All are agreed?
Yes.
Fine. So next Sunday we will visit Sarmishta Lake in Vadnagar. Okay?
Okay.
Now open page number 18. Activity 8A. Read the story.
The bubble is beautiful, isn't it?
There was a bubble tree in a forest. It had straight branches. It had long, white thorns at the base of each leaf tail. One day, it looked at the leaves of other trees. The leaves had different shapes, round, narrow, and broad. The bubble tree looked sadly at its leaves and thorns.
My leaves are very small and unattractive. They are not like the cute leaves of other trees. And I hate my thorns too.
One day we heard Bubbles' sad words. She appeared before it.
Dear Bubble, you look very upset.
Oh, yes, I am.
But why?
Because I don't like my tiny leaves. I should have golden leaves. And no thorns at all.
I think you have excellent leaves and thorns to protect yourself.
But I should be good looking too. Please remove my thorns and bless me with golden leaves.
One Devi touched its trunk with her magic stick and disappeared. The next morning, the leaves of the bubble tree changed into shining golden leaves. It had no thorns at all. The bubble tree looked beautiful and very happy, but its happiness did not last long. Some people passing through the forest looked at this wonderful tree. They saw the golden leaves and started plucking them.
Please don't take my golden leaves. I love them.
I'll sell the leaves and buy things for my family.
Then they ran away happily with all the golden leaves. The bubble tree looked ugly without leaves. The bubble tree started weeping. After 3 days, one Devi appeared again.
Dear Bubble, why do you look so upset? Where are your golden leaves? I blessed you with golden leaves, didn't I?
Yes, you did. But some people took away all my golden leaves. Now I think I should have sparkling glass leaves. Devi, don't forget to remove my thorns.
Sorry, but I feel that it may be risky.
That may be true, but sparkling glass leaves will shine in the sunlight. I will look like a tree of light. Please do it for me.
All right, as you wish.
The kind one Devi touched the trunk of the bubble tree once again with her magic stick. The next morning, the leaves of the bubble tree changed into sparkling glass leaves. Alas, its happiness did not last long this time too. A stormy wind started blowing through the forest. It blew so hard that all the sparkling glass leaves of the bubble tree broke into small pieces. The bubble tree was ugly and leafless once again.
The stormy wind broke all my leaves. What shall I do?
The one Devi heard its sobs and appeared again.
What happened again? Why are you crying?
The cruel wind broke all my glass leaves. Now I must have broad and smooth green leaves. Only then I will be contented and happy.
Let's try that this time.
Granted Bubbles' wish. The next morning, the bubble tree had broad and smooth green leaves and no thorns. It was full of joy.
Wow! What beautiful leaves I have. Robbers won't steal them. The cruel strong wind can't break them. Now I'll be handsome and happy forever.
All of a sudden, there came 3 goats. They were very hungry. They saw the broad and soft green leaves of the bubble tree. They ran to it and started eating its leaves.
Ouch! Ouch! Goats, please don't eat my leaves.
We are very hungry. Your leaves are very tender and tasty. We will eat them all.
The goats ate up all the leaves of the bubble tree. They felt happy and contented. The bubble tree was in tears again.
Oh, One Devi, please save me.
One Devi appeared again with a smile on her face.
Oh dear Bubble, I granted all your wishes, but still you are not happy and satisfied. Now I'll give you the last chance. Tell me, what do you wish?
Now I have learnt a lesson. I don't want any golden leaves, glass leaves, or broad soft leaves. I want to be a real bubble tree. Please give me back my leaves and long white thorns. I'll always be happy and contented with them.
Vandevi gave it back, its small green leaves and thorns. Then the bubble tree stood happily in its original evergreen dress forever.
Children, have you enjoyed the story? Now we are going to do activity 8B. Replace the underlined word / group of words from the lesson. The first one or two letters are given in the brackets to make your search easy. Here is an example for you. ચાલો ઉદાહરણ લઈ લઈએ. Sentence 1. Kalidas was cutting the same underline bow in brackets branch on which he was sitting. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીં બો શબ્દનો સમાનાર્થી શબ્દ વાર્તામાંથી શોધવાનો છે, જેની શરૂઆત B થી થાય છે. The answer will be branch. Second sentence. The boy's joy did not stay for a long time. Underline stay for a long time. અને અહીં LA આપવામાં આવેલ છે. The answer is last long. Third sentence. Divya's face was shining brightly. Underline shining brightly. In bracket SP like a star. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, answer is sparkling. Fourth sentence. The king was rich but not satisfied. Underline not satisfied. અને DIS આપેલ છે. The answer is discontented. Fifth sentence. The children pulled out. Underline pulled out. In brackets P the flowers from the garden. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, the answer is plucked. Sixth sentence. The camel is an unattractive. Underline unattractive. In brackets U animal. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, the answer is ugly. Now let's go for section C. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Children, let's see the example first. First sentence. Vandevi granted the wish and disappeared / appeared. Children, the answer is disappeared. Second sentence. The bubble tree disliked / liked its leaves. Children, the answer is disliked. Third sentence. The people came and started planting / plucking all the golden leaves. The answer is plucking. Fourth sentence. A man said, I'll buy / sell the leaves and sell / buy things for my family. Children, in the story, a man said to a bubble tree that he sold the golden leaves and buy things for his family. Fifth sentence. The bubble tree looked attractive / ugly without the leaves. Children, here the answer is ugly. Sixth sentence. I don't want golden leaves, glass leaves or soft / heart leaves, said bubble tree. Here the answer is soft. 7th sentence. Now I must have smooth green leaves. Only then I'll be discontented / contented, said Bubble Tree. Here the answer is contented. Activity D. Write who said and who listened. Now let's do example first. First sentence. Where are your golden leaves? Children, this dialogue one Devi said to a bubble tree. Second sentence. You look very upset. Children, this dialogue one Devi said to a bubble tree. Sentence 3. I'll sell the leaves and buy things for my family. This dialogue a man said to a bubble tree. Fourth sentence. I think you have excellent leaves. Children, this dialogue one Devi said to a bubble tree. Fifth sentence. But I should be good looking too. Children, this dialogue a bubble tree said to one Devi. Sixth sentence. Sorry, but I feel that it may be risky. Children, this dialogue one Devi said to a bubble tree. Seventh sentence. We are very hungry. We will eat them all. God said this dialogue to a bubble tree. Eighth sentence. All right, as you wish. Children, this dialogue one Devi said to a bubble tree. Ninth sentence. Your leaves are very tender and tasty. Children, this dialogue God said to a bubble tree. 10th sentence. Now I have learnt a lesson. This dialogue bubble tree said to a one Devi. Activity E. Work in pairs. Read the lesson. Arrange the sentences in a proper order. Write numbers in the given bracket. હવે હું સાચા ક્રમમાં વાક્યો અરેન્જ કરું છું. Let's check. First, one day the bubble tree looked at the leaves of other trees. Second, one Devi appeared before the bubble tree. Third, the leaves of the bubble tree changed into shining golden leaves. Fourth, the people ran away happily with all the golden leaves. Fifth, the leaves of the bubble tree changed into sparkling glass leaves. Sixth, all the sparkling glass leaves of the bubble tree broke into small pieces. Seventh, next morning the bubble tree had broad and smooth green leaves and no thorns. Eighth, the gods ate up all the leaves of the bubble tree. Ninth, the one Devi gave back small green leaves and thorns to bubble tree. 10th, the bubble tree stood happily in its evergreen dress. Activity F. Answer these questions. Now let's take example first. First, what did the bubble tree have? The bubble tree had straight branches and long white thorns at the base of each leaf tail. Second question, how was the bubble tree different from the other trees? Answer is, the bubble tree had small and unattractive leaves and thorns. Third question, the bubble tree wished for 3 kinds of leaves. List them. Answer is, first, shining golden leaves. Second, sparkling glass leaves. And third, broad and smooth green leaves. Fourth question, the bubble's happiness did not last long with golden leaves? Because answer is some people plucked all the golden leaves and ran away. Fifth question. How did the bubbles leaves turn into glass leaves? Answer is the bubbles leaves turned into glass leaves when one Devi touched its trunk with her magic stick. Sixth question. When did the bubble tree really become happy and contented? Answer is when it got back its leaves and long white thorns. Seventh question. What was Babu's last request to One Devi? Babu's last request to One Devi was to give back its leaves and long white thorns.
Today's question. The bubble tree had long blank thorns. For blank, options are here. Option A small, option B black, option C soft, option D white. So, choose your correct answer and send your response to this toll-free number 63573994